Hello, my name is Dana Sura Bilava, and let me be your home business coach today. If you're about to start a business working from home, then it is very important you ask yourself what is it that you like, or what are your checklists for starting a home business. So it's very important, number one, to start making a list of things that you want your home business should offer you. Most people want more time, more money, so write that as if that's number one and two for you, write that. And what else? The product and services that you will be promoting. Do you have passion for what you will be promoting? Because that's a very important key factor for your success. If you're passionate about something and you're promoting that product or service, you're more likely to achieve success faster, easier, and more effortlessly. So that's one thing you need to really be conscious about. Then what are the hours? How much are you going to be putting in? What does the business involve? How much are they? What is the realistic time investment and money investment? These are all the things you need to factor before you choose a right home business for you. What you're passionate about, that's the best way to go about. Just go for something that you're really truly passionate about. That way you will stick with it, and even in times when it's more challenging for you, you will more likely to stick with it and not give it up and not quit. For people who are already in a home business, I have a few tips, like how to organize yourself, how to organize and prioritize yourself, because I've been running a home business since 1996, and I know exactly what to do and what not to do, what causes you to succeed and what doesn't cause you to succeed. And one of the main things one needs to do in a home business is definitely have discipline, have good habits, routine, have a good routine, have your daily mode of operation, what you will be doing, your tasks. Even if you don't have a boss, I mean, that's why you opted to work from home, because you didn't probably want a boss. You give up your corporate job, or you're a stay-home mom who wants to earn an extra income, whatever your reasons are. But you need to still have a good routine. You need to find out how much time you will be allocating to your income generating activities, because after all, it all comes down to how much dollars you'll generate. So your income generating activities as compared to other activities like accounts, bookkeeping, whatever else you need to do. I strongly advise outsource as much as you can and focus on what you're good at. I've always done that right from the beginning. Had some fantastic outsourcing partners. That makes life easier. Your business is more consolidated. You don't go, you don't overspend on things which you're not supposed to. You have your fixed cost for products and your services, and you're more profitable that way. So these are the few things I like to share with you, because I've been in home business for the last now, since, as I said, since 1996, and I know where the pitfalls are and where the upside is. For those of you who want to know what I do and how I run my home business, go on my website, and if you feel there are some opportunities that you like to explore with me and what I do and how I do it, I'll be more than happy to help you. So just feel free, put all your details on the website. I'm also offering a free 7-day e-course which is on success, wealth and prosperity. So please feel free, put all your details, get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to go through the opportunity with you. So you have an awesome day, have an outstanding day, live with passion, and have a great life. I'm Dana Sura Bilava, yours in health, wealth and happiness. Thank you so much.